Hi, my name is Jimmy Lorway, and I'm with Anvil Construction. We've been around since August of 2018. We were operating as a labor company. Back in January of 2021, mid-January, we kind of broke off on our own. Became specifically a cladding company. We started out with 7 guys who came over with me. We grew to about 22 guys at one point in time. Some pretty explosive growth. My wife actually started working with us about 6 months ago. She's an estimator. It's been amazing having her working with us. We work from home. We got a basement apartment. I hate to admit it, she's a lot better at it than I am. The industry right now is absolutely nuts. There's so much work going on in Halifax that we're not even looking at going outside of Halifax for the next couple of years. We're looking to find clients and suppliers and also more installers. Maybe not the most experienced guys, but have a little bit of experience, good, reliable, hard workers that they want to learn, they want to grow the company. It's been an absolutely great year. We're looking forward to the next 5, 10, 20 years with everything that Halifax has to offer with all the developments going on. Pretty exciting times.